Having a hard time using the BurnLive app? Why not do it in an easy way? Open your IG and find BurnLive. Click the link in the bio. Click Book Now. Or you may drag up the page to see the other button. Click Book a Session. You may change the time zone according to your location and select a date and time based on your availability. Click Next. Enter your name, your email, click Add Guest and enter their name if you want to have a group session. Next is the location you want to do the session. Enter your contact number. Choose the kind of exercise you want to do for our session. Tell us if this is a group exercise. If there is anything you would like to tell us before the session, you may leave a message in the notes section or leave it blank. Fill up the last two fields for the payment, then click Schedule Event, and automatically this is now scheduled. Then just wait for our scheduled session.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you could try BurnLive Your Fitness on Demand app.